Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by creating two files and placing them together so the link is simple. Once done, open index. HTML and add a basic HTML skeleton. Make sure to include the head. You should also open styles. CSS and add one rule to test like body background, #F8F8F8. Doing this first verifies the path and encoding. It prevents guesswork later. Save both files and get ready to link them. You place a single link element in the head, rel equals stylesheet and href pointing to your CSS file. Once done, use relative paths if the file sits in a subfolder, for example CSS/styles. CSS and avoid unnecessary attributes. Make sure the link is before inline scripts so styles load first. If you use a cache-busting query like v=1, increment it when updating styles. Finally, save and refresh the browser to confirm the stylesheet is applied. You finish by testing common failure points. Hard refresh the page and check DevTools for 404s on your stylesheet. If styles don't appear, inspect the Network tab to confirm the linked file is served and the stylesheet MIME type is correct. Make sure your CSS selectors target existing HTML elements and that no syntax errors prevent parsing. If needed, correct the href, rel, or a missing closing tag.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.